boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. I have a great song to present for you guys. It's a great collab as well. Tove Lo and Stromae, they do the Fleurs. And that is in French, and we have two artists here. One of them is Swedish, so we're very proud here. Tove Lo, and that is actually her name as well. And a cool fun fact about Stromae, which is French, is that he was called Maestro first, but he chopped off half of the word and put it in front of the other one. So instead of Maestro, it's Stromae. If that makes sense. Yeah, still a cool couple there. They performed this artistic song, and we're gonna translate that in a guitar. And everything's possible. With a cape on first, we will have a happy scenario. So put the cape on first. Let's go into this A minor, C, G, and D minor world. That is the chords we're going to use. So let's start with A minor first. That goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. C next. That goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G, third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And finally D minor, open D, second G, third B, and first E. Let's learn the strumming pattern together with A minor. One round goes like this. So it's pretty simple. You're going to start with one down first, a short pause, and then comes down, up, down. That's it. So down, down, up, down. The first down I like to really play on the bass strings to mark out the chord. And I answer kind of with the down, up, down. So that's how I'm going to work with the chords. And just to go over the chords, since this goes pretty fast with the chord changes, it's very smart to be have the technical aspect of it as well to handle it as fast as possible. So from A minor, you have a very simple transition to C. You don't have to release everything go to this point. You just release that second fret G string, the ring finger, and put it on top on the third fret A. Okay, the other ones are staying right there. So A minor to C, very simple. And then from G to D minor, you can keep that third fret B string with the ring finger and just work around it to this D minor. Okay, you see? Like that. You don't have to release everything and try to get all fingers. You have something to build upon. So now let's go into this. I'm going to play one string around per chord. I'm going to take down the tempo. So A minor 1, C1, G1, D minor 1. Like this. You work your speed up gradually, and yes, it doesn't have to be harder than that, guys. Tove Lo, Stromae, D Fleurs. Hope you enjoy, guys. Till next time, play tuned.